Did you think I'm on vacation? No, I'm not. In fact, I'm at work building a beautiful deck with my great team.
Hello, how are you?
Doing?
Good, not bad.
How's it going?
Good, we are actually almost closing to be done with the demo.
Good.
Yeah,
It looks
okay,
exciting.
you can stay here, it's safe.
Yeah.
So we changed the post. Actually, the post was in really bad situation.
Yeah, I
It was,
saw it today morning. It was
yeah,
a
so it was
disaster.
two-piece. They put the, actually, I don't know, it was like older post or it was new one on top of the old one, but they did really bad job here. It was actually in kind of emergency, and I went and I got some 6x6 pressure treated posts and changed it right away.
It looks awesome now.
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, it's almost done. We're gonna finish all this part, then we remove all these old posts and dump them, and it's ready for a structural engineer to come in and look at it. I'm actually trying to book him for tomorrow. Do you have time for tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm fully booked.
Fully booked?
But I
Okay.
can do Monday.
Monday is good too, yeah.
I'm looking at these samples, composite wood deck
Mm.
material and then cedar. I'm going to talk with the client
Sure,
about it.
perfect.
Thank you
So we
much.
continue this, and I will update you with the demo, and as soon as we finish, I'll send you a text. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Oh my God, that's so awesome. Are you guys hearing that? And of course you guys hearing that as well. You know, with our hectic city life, more and more the need of spaces that connect us to outdoor and make us calm and relax rises. If you remember, a few months ago I changed the storage of this house to the indoor-outdoor kitchen. I will put the link of the video in the description box to watch later if you're interested. I've created an opening and installed French door in an exterior wall to be able to have access to this deck. And now it's time to rebuild this deck and make it more functional and more beautiful. After completion of this deck, my client would be able to enjoy her indoor-outdoor kitchen and sit down on this deck and look at this beautiful view for hours. Isn't that wonderful? You know, I thought it's a good idea to talk about material choices for the deck. Just in case if you're considering a new deck, you have a lot of different choices to make and you have a lot of different options. The most popular options are wood or composite decking, and there is pros and cons of using any of these material. In my case for this deck, I'm looking at cedar wood, which is real wood, versus composite material, and the brand that I'm looking at called Thrax. And they're both very good. However, I need to make my final decision. For those of you that might not know, composite deck material is made of 95% recycled wood and recycled plastic film. It's lower maintenance, you don't have to stain it, it's kind of scratch resistant, and it's a little bit more expensive when you're purchasing and investing it, but then you don't have to maintain it. Cedar is a softwood, but that doesn't mean softwood are weaker than hardwoods. Softwoods comes from coniferous trees such as cedar, fir, and pine. and usually they have this yellowy reddish color. We all know that cedar smells great and it has this beautiful aroma, and that is because of the natural antibacterial and antifungal agent called thiosulfin. When you're choosing a material for your deck, you need to consider a lot of things. Location of your deck would be one of them. Is it exposed to a lot of sun? Is it near water? In my case right now, the house is near water, so the house is exposed to a lot of moisture and it gets a direct sunlight. Also, my client have smaller children in the house, so they would be playing on this deck barefoot. And one thing that I know is composite deck material can get quite hot when it's exposed to the direct sunlight and it's very hot outside. So going barefoot on a deck would be a little bit uncomfortable. Composite deck material are not biodegradable, but cedar is, so that's another factor for me. And the fact that is in a direct sunlight, and I know wood can get hot, but it kind of controls the temperature. It's not going to get as uncomfortable as the composite will get. But then definitely it needs more maintenance. Now we are in a phase of demolishing. After this phase, I'm going to come back with my structural engineer. We're going to review the deck. We're going to have a few adjustments made to our drawing, and then we're going to start building it. I'm very excited for this. It's going to be awesome. Anyway, my vacation ended and I'm going to get back to work. I would like to thank you all for watching this vlog, and I'm hoping that you enjoyed it. I'm hoping that you learned something, and I'll see you next time.